Okay, before I open this, I just want to explain that this is a Paradise Galleries doll. It is a smitten kitten. This is not my doll, however. I purchased this for my daughter slash foster child. It's for her 10th birthday. Her birthday is in October. Her birthday's October the 15th. We're going to have her party the 13th. But this is for her birthday. And I've already wrapped the baby's clothes. She is having a unicorn birthday. So I bought her some unicorn outfits for her baby girl. And this is her first doll. So I'm hoping she does really good with it. She loves the My Life dolls, but she likes to play with their hair. So that kind of scares me a little bit because she can't be as rough with these. But yeah, so I'm just going to open it. Certificate of authenticity. Smitten kitten. She is number 202. And of course she is by Pinglau, if you didn't know. I would have loved for her to done this box opening, but I don't want to spoil the surprise because she's going to open it on her birthday party. Yeah, so I'm just gonna box open it now, and then this will be the start. Maybe me and her will get to do videos together. So that's opening another chapter in my life, even though it's just dolls and videos, but still, it's something fun we can do together. So she comes with a kitty cat rattle. Here she is. Her little slippers are off her feet. Well, me and her sort of match today. And I am getting her out. Actually, the reason I'm doing this box opening is because I want to check this baby out before I give it to her, because Paradise Galleries are known for sometimes the babies are a little beat up or something, and I don't want to get her to the birthday party and my girl open her and then be like, oh no, Tasha, her eyeball's missing, or something silly like that. And that could make or break my 10-year-old liking her doll. So yeah, she's actually pretty good, heavy. She seems heavier than most of my other babies, or my Pinglau babies, Sue Lynn and baby me. I don't think they weighed this. I don't know. It's been a while, guys. So we need to check her. Let me get her in focus. Don't mind my pajama pants. It's Sunday. My lazy day. My children are sick. Baby Waylon is sick, so keep him in your prayers, guys. I had to take him to the ER. He has bronchiolitis. Not bronchitis, but bronchiolitis. And if you don't know what it is, Google it. I had to. I was wanting to put one of her unicorn outfits on her so it would be a surprise when she got her. But I decided to leave her outfits off because I'm sure she's going to want to dress her. And we might do it on camera together. Just let me check. Make sure everything's okay. She looks very, very cute. I don't want to take that off, but I need to. Oh, her hair's a little bit in disarray. Okay. I see a little bit something wrong with her eye. I think it will be okay for her though. I don't even know if she'll notice it. I notice it. See? I think my 10-year-old will be okay though. That's the only... They've been having a lot of trouble with these eyes. Or I've heard a lot of complaints. Let me see. It's not missing. I don't think she'll notice this. I think this would make a cute boy, guys. I like boys. But it's going to be a little girl for my big girl. She's pretty. I know I shouldn't have done this. I want it now. I'm not taking my baby's birthday present, I promise. She's going to get a keeper. And I'm going to let her open her. Or not open her, but dress her on camera. Maybe in her first unicorn outfit. And I think it'd be so cute. So I'm going to put her back in the box. And I'm going to wrap her in some wrapping paper for my girl. And she's going to be surprised when she sees her. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe, guys, if you haven't. And I will see you next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.